Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. I'm back from my little break. I've been filling hardbox orders like crazy. I have a 3001 here I'm waiting on parts for, a Kenwood TL922A, I have another Kenwood TL922A on the way, and an SB200 on the way, so busy. But I am recharged. Happy New Year, by the way. So, we have an Al811h here. Customer wants me to go through it. It's getting a brand new set of Penta Lab 572B tubes. Needs new input SO239. The one it has no grip. It's getting a brand new set from Max Gain Systems. So I'll take the socket assembly out, ground the grids right to the metal, install the gas discharge tubes, base of one of the paralleled tube filaments. I'll remove the metal oxide varistor from the board, do the 10 meter mod, take the gas discharge tube off the board. These straps need to be replaced. See how rigid they are where they come off the board? End up snapping. So, already has the bias mod done. Okay, so I'm going to get to work, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Okay, so I grounded the grids right to the metal, compressed the socket clips, and added a gas discharge tube on each side of the filament. All 4 tube filaments are in parallel, so only needed one per side. Also added a longer screw for the plate choke. So, back to work. Okay, so I forgot to show that I changed the SO239s with new ones from Max Gain Systems, removed the metal oxide varistor, zip tied the wiring over here. I always cut the filament leads at the base of the sockets and restrip them. So, okay, so back to work. See you soon. I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al811h amplifier. Got a brand new set of Penta Lab tubes. Awesome company, awesome product, awesome customer service. Got a brand new set of SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Also great people over there, great products. So, tested full output all bands. Meter protection diode's good. Replaced the straps going to the parasitic board. Now they're nice and flexible all the way up to the board. Took the socket assembly out. You saw what I did below. Grounded the grids right to the metal. Added the 2 gas discharge tubes. Compressed the socket clips and cleaned the socket clips with deoxit gold. Cleaned the input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Output rotary switch, band switch with deoxit gold. Tightened up on hardware. Fixed solder joints. Zip tied the wires. See the old gas discharge tube from the board. Metal oxide varistor and the old SO239s. That's about it. This thing is good to go. Also zip tied the wiring. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. The websites are AmpRepairGuy.com and also hardboxelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. 73.